You are welcome to this online video class by Bibhuti. Now I am going to teach you a remaining part of the topic, the foolish son-in-law, that is SGP-3. Now open your book, page 37. Now I am going to read it with proper pronunciation, with a punctuation marks also. You will all listen attentively to the teacher. At the dead of the night, he tried to get the pudding from the pot, but unfortunately it fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum. What to do now? He thought to himself. He saw freshly plucked cotton spread on a mat to dry. He slept on it and turned to 3 times left and right. Then he looked like a lamb. What to do now? He thought to himself. So he went to the cowshed where some lambs lived. He stayed there throughout the night like a lamb. So now I will have to discuss about the paragraph. At the dead of night, he tried to get the pudding from the pot. Now, you will see the meanings of the new words, dead of night. The middle of the night when it is very dark. Then, unfortunately, unluckily, smear, to overspread with something sticky, gum, a sticky substance. Freshly, recently, cowshed, living place of a cows, lamb, baby sleep. Okay? Now, I shall discuss. At the dead of the night, he tried to get the pudding from the pot. When it was very dark, at that time, the son-in-law tried to get khiri from the pot. But sadly, what happened? It fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum. So what happened then? His total body covered with rice pudding like gum. So he was astonished. He thought to himself, what to do now? He saw freshly plucked cotton spread on a mat to dry. So at that time, he saw cotton spread on a mat. It was kept to dry. So immediately the son-in-law slept on it and turned or moved 2 to 3 times left and right. Then what happened? When he turned 2 to 3 times from left to right, he looked like a lamb. The students, you have seen lamb. Lamb means baby sheep. Okay? Lamb means baby sheep. You have seen. So, then he looked like a lamb. He thought to himself, what to do now? Then he went to the cowshed. Cowshed, you have known, living place of cows. Cowshed means living place of a cows. So immediately he went to the cowshed where some lambs lived. He stayed there throughout the night like a lamb. At that time, he wasted his time throughout the night like a lamb. So, this paragraph came to an end. You understood well. Now you have to read silently in order to know the theme of the paragraph. After that, I shall ask some questions and you will tell me. The question is, whose body was smeared with rice pudding? The second question is, where did the son-in-law sleep? In the same way, the third question is for you. How did he look like? Means, how did the son-in-law look like? So, dear students, now it is a HW for you, that is we call worksheet. It has been given to you as put the missing letters. Okay, put the missing letters. You will have to prepare at home and write down in your copy. Tomorrow you will come and submit your copies to me. Once again, my thankfulness to you, and we will meet each other tomorrow.